Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to increase width of scrollbar in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click H key current user. Click Control panel. Click Desktop. Click Window Metrics. RGHT side of the Windows metrics. Click Scroll Width. Default scroll width is 255. You can change the value to -500. Close registry and exit. Restart your Windows. After restart, check the width of the scroll bar. Width of the scroll bar is increased. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.